In this video, we'll show you how to find and use CapCut templates to create professional-looking videos with just a few clicks. To find high-quality CapCut templates, open your web browser and go to google.com. Type CapCut templates into the search bar. This method works for both iPhone and Android devices, regardless of the browser you use. Once the search results appear, you can explore various websites offering CapCut templates. I personally recommend the official CapCut website. On this site, you can scroll through different templates, and when you find one you like, click on it to open it in CapCut. You'll see a preview of the template. If you want to use it for your project, tap the Use Template button. This will open your photo gallery where you can select the photo or video you want to use with the template. Finally, preview your finished project. If you're satisfied, tap the Export button in the top right corner to save the video to your photo gallery or share it directly to TikTok. If you have any suggestions or questions, please leave them in the comments below. I'll see you soon.